Here's a complete guide on how to review and sign a document in Docusign, presented for the Aintree Group. Whether you're finalizing an important business agreement or signing a personal document, Docusign makes the entire signing experience fast, secure, and easy to follow. This walkthrough will help you navigate everything confidently from start to finish. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Docusign website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Login button. Click it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. If you don't already have a Docusign account, creating one is quick and gives you access to all features, including signing, reviewing, and managing documents. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main Docusign dashboard. This central hub displays the most important sections of your account. From here, look for the tab labeled Agreements. Depending on your account layout, this may appear on the left sidebar or along the top menu. Clicking on it will open your list of documents that require your review or signature. Inside the Agreement section, you will see all pending documents. Find the specific agreement you need to complete. When you locate it, click on the document title to open it. This will take you straight into the review window where you can read through the content and fill out any required information. Most agreements will ask for basic details such as your full name, company details if applicable, and sometimes additional fields depending on the type of agreement. Carefully enter each required piece of information. Accuracy matters here because incorrect details could slow down approval or require the document to be reissued. Once everything is correctly filled out, look for the next button to continue. Before signing, Docusign provides a helpful preview feature. Select the preview option to see how the completed document will look. This step is valuable because it allows you to ensure all fields appear correctly, nothing is missing, and all information is properly displayed. Use this moment to double-check dates, names, and any specific agreement terms. Catching mistakes now helps you avoid disputes or revisions later. When you are satisfied with the preview, move on to the signing step. Docusign gives you several signing options, including using a pre-generated signature style, drawing your signature with your mouse or trackpad, or uploading an actual image of your handwritten signature. Choose the method that suits you best and place your signature in the designated signature fields. Once your signature is applied, Docusign will guide you to complete the remaining steps. When everything is finalized, submit the document. The system will automatically save it, send confirmation to the document owner, and email you a copy for your records. This ensures transparency and provides a clear, traceable history of signed agreements. And that's all it takes. You've successfully reviewed, completed, and signed a document using Docusign. With this process, handling digital paperwork becomes much easier. No printing, scanning, or mailing required. Keep this workflow in mind for all future agreements, as Docusign provides a secure and efficient way to manage documents for both business and personal use.